Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 from 2023 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Reset Phone, and as you can see at the top we've got the Reset Wi-Fi settings. So let's tap on it. We've got the information that your device will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, tap on Reset Settings, and as you can see the settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your INFINIX Note 12 from 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.